Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I want to show you guys a couple of tools that you'll find in our catalog or on our website, flexfilmstore.com, that might be of interest to some of you flat glass window tinters. I mean, you may be a full-time flat glass person, or you may be an automotive guy that likes to do flat glass on the side, but if so, this may be a tool that would interest you. The Fusion company has a couple of really heavy-duty squeegee handles for some awesome leverage. One's for the 5-inch blades, and this one's for the 8-inch blades. But the handles are the same. You can see that. This is a very kind of a heavy-duty stainless steel handle. You know, they put their patented Fusion grips on there. You've got a little skirt at the end, so it keeps you from, I don't know, however you want to hold this monster is up to you. They've got their extremely durable plastic. I don't know if you can see that, but your favorite squeegee blade that you want to use will fit in there. If it's long enough, it'll go right in there. It'll pinch it. And these are these new stainless steel Phillips head screws. They don't rust, which is a plus. Some of the older screws and some of the older tools, they'll rust over time. That's not cool. If you want the same tool, just a smaller version for a smaller squeegee. Probably to do smaller windows. These are pretty cool, man. I mean, I don't know what I can say about these, but if you're looking for the most advanced technology that we've ever seen in the industry with a tool that's made to squeegee flat glass, this one's right up there at the top, and it's pretty simple to use. And I'll bet you if you bought this, looking at the components, this probably would last as long as you're going to be in business, as long as you don't lose it. But this squeegee is just simply designed to give you that reach you're looking for and that leverage that you need. And with the right squeegee, this would be a pretty cool tool. Just wanted you to see it on the video, what it is, a little more perspective than when seeing it on a website or a catalog. But it's pretty cool. This is it. That's about all I can say about it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.